On the right track last night at a celebrity screening, Al Owens has that story and some background on the film's producers.
Urim Globus and Menachem Golan, film producers who are bringing us titles like The Naked Cage, Hot Chili, It Ate Cleveland. They attended the premiere of their newest film, Runaway Train. But unlike those others, Runaway Train aspires to different heights. It stars Jon Voight, Rebecca De Mornay, and Eric Roberts. It was directed by respected Russian filmmaker Andrei Konchalovsky. And the story is based on a screenplay by Japanese director Akira Kurosawa.
You gotta come back!
Go for it, sucker! Come on!
I can't watch this.
Then sit down!
I think they made a really good movie, man, and I'm glad to be in it.
They're doing quite a lot of films. They're working with Bob Altman and Lena Wertmüller, and they've worked with John Cassavetes, you know, lovely people. And I think I'm very grateful that they are working well with all these terrific artists.
We feel great, and It Ate Cleveland is still to come. It's going to eat Cleveland. It's going to be funny and lovely.
Al Owens, Entertainment Tonight.